Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install Steam on your PC or on your laptop. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on PC or you're on your laptop, it's the same procedure. First off, of course, go to your browser and head to Google, and then let's just search Steam. On Steam, click on this website here, Welcome to Steam. Now, you'll be headed into this Steam homepage. Click on the upper green button here to install Steam. Now in here, just click on this, Install Steam. Now click on Save, and you'll see the Steam setup here has been downloaded. Just open Steam setup, click Yes, click on Next, pick whichever language you'd like, put in your destination folder, click on Install. As you can see here, destination folder must be empty. It's because the folder I added here is not empty. So we need to make a new folder, or if the default folder is already full, you can move it to another folder. So I'm just going to click on Browse. I'm going to go to my new volumes here, and I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to call it Steam, right? I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to click on Install. And there you go. Now our Steam has been installed. If you like this video, please consider liking and or subscribing.